Do you understand English but struggle to speak naturally? Or maybe your pronunciation is okay, but you still sound robotic? Then you need to learn shadowing. And no, shadowing is not just repeating words. Most people actually do it wrong. In this video, I'll explain what shadowing is, why it works, how to do it correctly, common mistakes to avoid, and we'll even practice together. So let's get started. Shadowing is a speaking practice technique where you listen to a native speaker and repeat what they say almost immediately, like their shadow. You're not just copying the words, you're copying pronunciation, stress, rhythm, intonation, pauses, and emotion. Shadowing helps you in 3 major ways. First, it improves your pronunciation. You start noticing how words are actually spoken in real conversation. Second, it improves rhythm and intonation. This is important because natural speech is not flat. It has a musical quality to it. Some words get stressed and some are reduced. Your pitch goes up and down. Third, shadowing trains your mouth muscles. As you know, speaking is a physical and mental act. Your tongue, lips, and jaw need practice moving in new ways, making new sounds. Think of shadowing like gym training for speaking. The more you practice, the easier speaking becomes. Now let's talk about the common mistakes. Mistake number 1, choosing content that's too difficult to start with. If you're a beginner, don't start with fast news reports or intense interviews. Start with simple, clear speech. Mistake number 2, only focusing on the words. Many learners repeat the words correctly but ignore rhythm and stress. This is a big mistake. Remember, sounding natural is not just about saying the right words, it's about how you're saying them. Now, mistake number 3, waiting too long before repeating. If you listen, stop, think for 5 seconds, and then repeat, that's not really shadowing anymore. Try to stay as close as you can to the speaker. Here's the best way to practice shadowing. First, let me clarify something. True shadowing means you repeat almost immediately while the speaker is still talking. You don't wait for them to completely finish. You just stay a word or two behind them, like their shadow. But if you're a beginner, doing that right away can feel overwhelming. So as a beginner, start with a simpler version. Step 1, listen to the audio once and understand the meaning. Don't repeat yet. Step 2, break the sentence into smaller chunks. For example, the speaker said, "How are you doing today?" You can break it into "How are you?" and "doing today." This makes it easier to focus on the sounds and rhythm. Step 3, repeat the chunks and try to copy everything. Not just the words, copy the speed, copy the stress, copy the pitch, copy the emotion. Once you get comfortable with chunk practice, move on to true shadowing. That means repeating almost instantly, with little to no pause. Here's where your brain starts learning to listen and speak at the same time, and it is what helps you sound more natural. Now let's practice together. I'll say a sentence, and you'll repeat after me exactly. Pause the video if you need to. You'll repeat not just the words, but my voice as well. Ready? Let's start. Level 1, good morning. How are you? Nice to meet you. Good. Now level 2, first. I'm really excited today. Oh, that sounds amazing. I can help you with that. Okay, good job. Now let's move on to level 3. Honestly, I wasn't expecting that. Can you say that again? I'm still thinking about it. Good. Now, here's what I want you to notice. Did you stress every word equally, or did you copy the rhythm? For example, I said, "I'm really excited today." The stress here is on really, not equally on every word. This stress is what creates natural speech. If you're wondering what to practice with, here are some great options. I'll also link some in the description below. You can use cartoons, sitcom clips, podcasts, and YouTube videos with clear speech. You can also use short dialogue clips from movies. Avoid content that's too fast in the beginning, and choose something you can understand. Over time, you can challenge yourself and move on to more difficult audio. Here's my challenge for you. Try shadowing for 7 days, just 10 minutes a day. Record yourself on day 1, and then record yourself again on day 7. Then compare both recordings. You'll definitely hear the difference. If this helped you, make sure to like and subscribe. If you want more practice videos like this, comment shadowing below. I'll see you in the next video.